What's going on, guys? My name is Meek and welcome back to my channel. Now today's cleaning, I got some Nike Roshe Runs. Now I don't know if you guys been noticing, but there have been a resurgence of these shoes coming back out at the Nike outlet. So let me go ahead and show you what I'm talking about. So now we got the shoe here. What we're gonna first start off and do is we're gonna go ahead and take out the laces. Now if you're new to cleaning shoes, I recommend using gloves because even though, you know, sometimes you may not know where these shoes come from, where they've been, what they've been stepping in. Now I know these are my kid's shoes and honestly I don't know what the hell he's been stepping in, so I'm just gonna put some gloves on. And plus, you never know how the chemical is gonna react to your hands. Even though they say the FZ150 is all natural, just to be safe, just wear gloves no matter what you use in order to clean some shoes. All right, so let's go ahead and take out the sole of the shoe. We'll just go to the side right there. We're gonna go ahead and put in the shoe tree. Now the shoe tree is just gonna give us a little bit of a surface here to push down, especially with these mesh shoes because they are real soft. So we do want something to kind of hold down the shoe while we do the actual cleaning. So let's go ahead and get our soft bristle brush from FZ150. Jeez, I just spilled water. All right, so we got the foam on there. Go ahead and get the cleaning. We are gonna have to put a little pressure with our fingers here at the tongue because the shoe tree don't go all the way up there. So right now all I'm doing is just hitting the mesh portion of the shoe. I'm not really going to worry about the midsole right now. I'm going to wait till I get to the hard bristle brush in order to get to that point. Get the heel of this shoe. I am putting a little bit of pressure, not too much. I'm mainly just letting the brush do its thing. So right now we're just gonna go ahead and take out the shoe tree here. That way we can just go ahead and get the inside cleaned up. I'm gonna go ahead and put the shoe tree back in. Let's go ahead and get this. All right, so we pretty much got the upper cleaned up. so now we're just gonna go ahead and attack this midsole. Take a look at that. Now the bottom, let's go ahead and attack this bottom of the shoe. You know what? Let's put a little bit more on here. Just to be on the safe side, I am going to give the upper one more kind of like pass through, just to make sure I got everything. All right, so we got the upper all done. It does look like it's a little bleeding here, but we'll take a look at that. I'm not sure if the camera's picking it up, but we'll take a look at that later. Now let's go ahead and get into this insole of the shoe. Just so we know it's pretty clean, we'll just throw a little bit of product on there. Get this cleaned up. All right, so we got the insole done. Now we're gonna go ahead and grab the shoelaces. Just give it a little half a pump, don't need too much. All right, so now that we got the shoe pretty much cleaned up, we're just gonna go ahead and give this a rinse. We're just gonna go ahead and rinse this off, and it's gonna take about 24 hours for the shoe to dry. But for you guys, it's gonna take just a couple of minutes. But we'll get right back to it to see how the shoe came out. All right, so now it's been about 24 hours. Now the only thing left to do is to lace up the shoe. All right, so there you have it. I got the white and red Roshe Run fully cleaned. You see there's no more real staining here. Got the midsole pretty much cleaned up. Take a look at that. Not perfect on the bottom. We do see a little bit of wear right here. But what I noticed with these shoes is that you get a lot of scratches in them. And I actually don't have any paint right now, ran out. But there you go. Let me know in the comments how these shoes are looking. All right, so thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button so this video gets out to more people. And that way I can keep pushing these videos out. All right, peace. Thanks for watching.